Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to align objects in Procreate. So as you can see, I've done this quick little illustration and now I want to center it perfectly to my canvas. So Procreate doesn't have a specific align tool, but it does have a transformation tool that works great for aligning. So what we're going to do first before we start aligning is we're going to turn on our 2D grid. This is going to help us align it much better than if we were just doing it freeform. So I turned on my grid. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom out, and as you can see, I did a great job with the illustration, but I accidentally didn't center it when I was drawing, but that's okay, because we're going to go to this button right up here that looks like a mouse. That's the transformation tool. Then make sure you're on freeform. And make sure Magnetize is clicked on. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a combination of just eyeballing the center and then a combination of making sure that we are magnetized to the correct lines by watching the grid. Okay, so let's do this. So as you can see, this is going to help us make sure we're in the middle. Okay, so the magnet looks good, but now I need to make sure I'm up a little bit more. So the magnet is going to let me know that I'm completely in the middle. And that's it. That's all you have to do. You just have to follow the vertical and horizontal magnetic lines with your grid and you're good to go. So let's unselect this. And let's put the drawing guides off. Okay, so let me zoom out. Okay, so it still looks like it's not completely centered, which that happens, like I said, because there isn't an exact align tool. So let's just go back again, and Magnetize is still checked on. And let's see if we can just move it over a little bit. There we go. So we moved it across the horizontal axis and now it looks great. Okay, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Thanks so much for watching.